Right, I thought I'd just show you. There's me tigers that have been soaking in Fruitella. So I'm going to just change it a little bit and go on the Essential IB. Mainline Essential IB. I'm just going to glug up. Yeah, just shake it up. This is the impact hook bait system to enhance hook baits. So you just look at this. Look at that liquid there. Look at that. That's just nectar for the buffs. So you just stick it in there like that. Give that old lid a good old tight. Give it a good old shake. Look at that. Look at them tigers in there. Soaked up in Essential IB.